For this job, you're going to need these 4 tools. Allen key number 2, number 3. Take off the 4 bolts. Take the plate off. Loosen this with Allen key number 3. You can take this completely off. Now that this is loose, it can travel this way. Down in here, you want to loosen this bolt, and it's going to release this so that it can travel. And as you can see, there's a spot that you can tell, but it goes up tight. Alright, it's all the way to the back. And that actually can come completely out. Now that wheel has moved in, you can see the sag. There. So just a little bit of cleanup of the track. And then I've got leaves and pine needles to pull out as best as I can. I like to stick to the grease. You're applying more grease, so some of this is going to come off. They say in full operation you should check or add grease every 2 weeks. These are some heavy tracks. You don't need a ton, just a nice coating. You can also do this without taking the tracks off. Just put some between the open edges. So this can should last you a while. Tight. Wouldn't go too tight though.